All right, we're back with another project. Oh yeah. So today I decided to expand that trellis that I made probably I believe it's been about 8 weeks, 2 months ago. So here I took a short trip to Home Depot, and now I'm back. I bought 3 pieces of rebar, all 10-foot sections. 2 of them are 1/2 inch, and the other one is I believe 3/8 of an inch. The 2 1/2 inch pieces of rebar, those are the ones I just sharpened there. Those are the ones I'm gonna stick on the ground, so that's why I sharpened them, so that it would go in the ground easier. So right now I already watered down the area, so the dirt is nice and soft and it won't take me long. Now I'm just cutting up those sections into I believe it was 27-inch sections. So from the current trellis, it's gonna come out 27 inches in a bit of an angle. Not a bit of an angle, it's actually a 15-degree angle if you want to be exact. So that's where it's coming out, and I'm gonna be welding those right there. So let's get to it. So the first thing I did, hey, let's get these in the ground. I figured that'd be the easiest way to start. Get those in the ground, pound them in, and I was surprised right now as I'm pushing it in how easy it went in. So I said, no big deal, this will be easy. But what happened is I kept dropping the hammer. I would pound it 2-3 times and I would drop my hammer. 2-3 times, drop my hammer. I was like, man, what the heck? So, hey, at least I got a good workout out of the thing, you know what I'm saying? All right, and just like algebra, whatever you do to one side, you got to do it to the other. So I said, all right, let's go do it. This one went in a little bit easier because I previously made a hole with the smaller stake, and then you saw me there right now putting in the final stake. Here I didn't drop the hammer as much. It didn't take me long actually, and there I'm just checking this at the height of the trellis there. Next thing, let's start welding those 27-inch sections, right? So that's what I'm doing right now, welding those sections. And yeah, I could have used a leveler, but why? Let's just eyeball it. Shoot. And that's what I did. So just eyeball it, tack weld it, and then finish welding around. Once I tack weld it, I check it out again, make sure it's kind of straight. If it's not, I moved it, as you can see, because I didn't like it. I thought it was crooked. And then check it one more time. I was happy with it. So hey, let's finish it off. Make sure everything's welded front and back. So it was pretty nice. Everything was going pretty smooth, not bad. Everything fell into place, I should say. So there, don't worry, I'm not holding the rebar as I was welding there, thinking, what's he doing? Weld his hand in there. No, I was just kind of pushing the rod in from the bottom. I wasn't actually really touching it. So once I liked it where it was, I go ahead and reinforce everything by making sure everything's nice, welded completely. Then, of course, the middle section. Now, what I was showing there is that this went in at an angle, and I could have lifted it back up and pull it back, push the whole thing back and put it back in so it would be straight. But after thinking about it, I would have to undo those 2 rebars I just welded. So yeah, but right there you saw me just take my first drink of coffee. I can't believe I did all that without having any coffee this morning. Once I had that done, I started cutting the trellis. I had to cut this to fit those sides that I created. There you see it. I almost put it in there, and I was going to cut another section for the top because it left about 1 foot of a gap in the bottom. But I like that I ended up attaching it to the top, as you can see. And that's the final project right there, right? Pretty nice. Can't wait till my passion fruit is dragging all over the place, dropping some fruit all over. Man, I can't wait. Hey, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.